Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang, talking about that generation right here, specifically from year 2015 to year 2023. If you guys have problems where the horn doesn't work, you need to find which relay you need to check. Stay with us, we're going to explain that in this video today, where you can buy cheap relays and fuses, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test relays and fuses. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience, guys. Make sure to stand till the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything, guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So the horn relay, let's explain where it's located. We're going to demonstrate on a 2000, guys, and 18 Ford Mustang GT, but even if you have a different engine, it will work as well. This is the fuse box cover right here that we need. In order to open it, you press that notch right here, pull it up. Right here, guys, you're going to notice that you have fuse numbers, and that layout here corresponds to what we have here. That makes it really convenient. But bad news, you don't know what they're for. That's why we decided to make the video, guys, and help you find that relay. But before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here, guys, okay, if you come in that fuse box right there, you can see how each one of them is separated. You have two relays, okay, and you can see them here. They're relay number 50 and 52. Whoever put those in order, doesn't make any sense, but that relay 52, guys, okay, that's the one for the horn. And if you need to buy cheap relays and fuses, that way don't waste your money, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.